have heard the line a million times. Data is the fuel of digital economy. But how do you visualize something that's been said too much, too flat and too forgettable? That's the challenge I took on. And here's how I turned that one line into a bold visual slide. I started with the what if scenario. What if we didn't treat it like a line? What if we treat it like a scene? I started with the word data, big and bold, not just typographically, but conceptually. Because in design, scale creates hierarchy. I wanted the word data to own the slide, so I made it huge. Now comes texture. If data is fuel, what does fuel actually look like? I landed on coal. It's dense, gritty, powerful, and full of potential. Just like raw data. So I clipped a high resolution image of coal into the word data. The result? It felt textured, heavy, real. This wasn't just aesthetic, it was about material storytelling. I added tiny squares on the left, almost pixel like fragments merging into the word. That served two purposes. Virtually, it echoed the way particles fly out of burning coal. Conceptually, it used Gestalt principle of proximity, suggesting that the small, fragmented inputs come together to form something meaningful. Then I duplicated the word and used a yellow outline for it without fill. Displaced it slightly. This wasn't just decoration. This was about contrast and figure-ground relationship. The outline helped lift the word off the texture, made it legible and stand out. Then came the supporting line, is the fuel of digital economy. I aligned it right under data, same width. This is alignment as a visual clue, a quiet but strong way to connect two thoughts without shouting. Now the visual is ready. We can use this to build a narrative. I dimmed the whole line and only highlighted fuel in yellow. This is isolation by color. A small trick but powerful. Suddenly your eyes go straight to the one word that matters. Lastly, I added a small yellow arrow pointing to fuel. Because in storytelling, direction matters. And in visual design, movement doesn't always mean animation. This is the final visual. A line you have seen 100 times, but now it's got depth, material, metaphor, and a clear focal point. Design isn't about adding things. It's about finding meaning and making it visible. It's about telling a story. As designers, our job isn't to decorate. It's to decode, to translate boring into bold. So next time, if you are stuck with a dead metaphor, don't reject it. Reimagine it. The answer is not in more elements, it's in more meaning. And if this breakdown helped you see design a little differently, subscribe.